Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. In this video, I will cover some examples on application of trigonometry. In our previous lecture, I told you about what is angle of elevation and what is angle of depression. And I gave you there one example also, one very basic examples. In this video, I will cover some typical example which might come in your exams. Okay. So let me write question first. So student, here is the question in which it is given that an observer or of height 1.5 meter. Let me draw that it is an observer, a person of height 1.5 meter tall is 28.5 meter away from a chimney. Let me draw one chimney, and the foot of the person is 28.5 meter away from chimney. Okay, and the angle of elevation of the top of the chimney from her eyes is 45 degree. So let us assume it is the top of the person, and from here the angle of elevation comes out to be 45 degree. So the question asked about what is the height of the chimney. So let me write, this is 1 AB, this is CD, and this point is E. So we have to find AB. This is the height of the chimney. So how we will proceed for this question? Basically we know that CE is equals to AD because they are parallel, and this should be equal to, so this is CE equal 28.5 meter. Okay, so in triangle CBE, I can directly write from the angle of elevation that tan 45 will be BE upon CE. So what is the value of tan 45, students? It is 1. So BE by CE equal 1, and we know the value of CE. So it comes out to BE is equals to 28.5 meter, which is the value of CE. So we get to know about the value of BE, which is 28.5 meter, and the height of the tower is EB is equals to BE plus EA. And what is the height of EA? When you look at this should be equals to CD, the height of the person, observer. So BE plus 1.5 meter, and BE value is 28.5 meter plus 1.5 meters. This comes out to be 30 meter. So this should be the height of chimney. So this is our answer. And these are the typical type of question which might come in exams from application of trigonometry. Let me give you one more example on this. So students, here is the question. This is one of the most typical question which can come from this chapter. Like, the shadow of a tower standing on a level ground is found to be 40 meter. So the shadow of a tower, I'll say that standing on a level ground. This is the shadow of the tower. Let me give it a name as AB. Is found to be 40 meter when the sun's altitude is 30 degree. Like, say sun is here, so shadow of the tower is making an angle to be 30 degree angle with this is the tower. Okay, so somewhere, and then when it is 60 degree, so the picture says that, let's suppose this is a tower of height CD, and this is a sun. Here back at sun is somewhere here. Okay, so tower is making, and when the tower is making an angle of 30 degree, the shadow is this AC. AC is shadow when angle is 30 degree, and BC is shadow when angle is 60 degree. And if you get the question very accurately, you can solve the question very smoothly. Okay guys, So I hope you guys are clear up to now. And the difference between AC minus BC is 40 meter. The shed of a tar standing on level ground is 40 meter longer than. This is what it means. Means this is 40 meter longer than the total shadow the when the tar is making an angle of 30 degree from the sun. Okay, so here in triangle, I'll say in triangle ACD, tan 30 will be equal to CD upon AC. So tan 30 will be 1 by root 3, and we don't know the value of CD, so I'll write here as CD, and we know the value of AC, which is 40 plus BC, 40 up to AB plus BC. So I write this equation as first. Now comes to second equation, second triangle. In triangle BCD, okay, tan 60 will be CD upon BC. Tan 60 is root 3. This is equals to CD upon BC. From this I can write that BC root 3 is CD. This is our equation 2. I'll put the value of equation 2 in equation 1. Putting equation 2 in equation 1. So what I will get as 1 by root 3 is equals to BC root 3 upon 40 plus BC. So I will cross multiply in the equation. 40 plus BC equal 3BC. So I will get BC is equals to 20 meters. I skipped one step there. I hope you can do now at your end. So what I get is the value of BC, and now I have to find out the value of CD, height of the tar. From this relation means tan 30 is equals to height of the tar, which is CD, upon total height AC. Okay, 1 by root 3 is H upon 60. So I can write this is 60 by root 3. So if I solve this into root 3 upon root 3, this comes out to be 20 root 3. So height of the tar is 20 root 3, students. I hope you are clear now. First we find out, solve the triangle ACD, then we apply the formula on the triangle BCD here. Okay, then we put the value which comes out from this relation in equation 1, and then we put the value of BC in this formula, and we get the height of the tar. So this is a very typical question which might come in exam, and still if you have any issue or any query, do comment in the comment section. I will be happy to help the students. Thank you, students. Happy learning.